Hello, my name is Liz Chatterton. I'm a watercolour artist based in Berkshire, and I love using line and wash to create characterful and lively portraits of animals and birds. On Saturday the 13th of July, I'm running a workshop with painters online at the Patchings ARTfest, and I hope you might be able to join me. We're going to do a kingfisher in line and wash, and in the process we're going to learn all sorts of things. We will start with line work as we paint this gorgeous kingfisher. We'll explore different styles of line work. So, for example, here's another possibility with a far more scribbly loose line. This one has less line work and possibly more painting. We'll look at the balance of our line to wash. Go on and develop the wash side of things, and we'll explore different colour mixes and how those will work together to bring our bird to life. I don't want just to colour in our drawing. So we'll look at different ways of applying watercolour so that we're not just staying within the line. We're going to be using Rosa Gallery watercolours on Hannah Muller paper, and we're using Melanie Cambridge brushes. All the materials are included in the price of £65, and you get to take them away with you afterwards. There are only 16 places available. If you do want to join me, please sign up soon at the Painters Online website.